All right, so let's take a look, guys. Let's open this up and find out what's inside. I can't wait. This is my first fancy vacuum, you know? Fancy. Wow. I feel like a rich person now. Even though it's not, you know. Wow, it's German Deluxe. So here's the oh wow, here's the turbo brush. Oh wow, look at that. Should probably take it out so you can see about yeah, you should. You should show your vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I think you should. Oh wow, is that anyway, let me unbox it from or unpack it from this bag because like you can't see anything. Can't see anything. I got this because I got this model because it came with a turbo brush. I need the turbo brush, you know. So let's go ahead and show the turbo brush. It looks high quality. There you go. Looks high quality. Look at that. Wow, look at how fancy. Oh look, this is I bet this is the chamber where you have to unclog something. You can open this up right here. You can unclog it. Oh, so fancy. It swivels too, like a shark too. It swivels. Look at that. Wow. Here's the brush roll. Can you see that? Yes, it's wind powered. It's canister vacuum. Yeah, it's wind powered, but I don't know where it's exactly. Oh, there it goes through here. It's wind powered. This one, so it's not. There's no cord to power this. Just powered by wind. Okay. Anybody is wondering. Okay. And find upright, so I just what I got. One thing I found interesting is this right here. Apparently, I think this is normal, but this brush literally moves around in here. I'm pretty sure that's purposely designed to like automatically adjust to the height of the floor. I bet you that's what it is. I bet you that's what it is. Anyway, all right, let's go open up what we have here. So here's the hose. I don't know if I can take that off. Here's the hose. No, it's not one of those flexible ones. It's kind of the plastic one, you know. It's fine, you know. It's fine, but I wish it was a stretchy hose. Right here. Hopefully you can see that. I think this is like 6 feet long or something. What is up? What is up, Windows? What's up? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Yeah, I'm unboxing my vacuum because you know why not? Because why not? Let me turn this box around so you can see it better. Because obviously you can't see. There's a nice blue color vacuum. Ooh, look at that. Wow, it's pretty small. Much smaller than I thought. It's pretty small. Wow. Okay. It is lightweight, guys. So maybe my mom will like this vacuum cleaner. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? You know. This. Let me take this guy out. Oh yeah, the door is already open. Huh. There we go. There's the handle to take it out. Right there. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Not that heavy. Pretty light for this. Pretty light. Let me take it off the plastic. Just a second, guys. Let me take out the plastic. Well, I'll show you. Let me show you the other tools in this box since I have this box still here. All right, let's show you the other stuff. Okay. Okay, so let's show you the other stuff. I'm gonna finish up with this box. So we have this guy right here. This is the manual, operating instructions, you know. Again, this is a German-made vacuum, not China Deluxe. You better not say this is China Deluxe, okay? Okay.